folks, just an update on the bus. The new transaxle is in. The motor is running. Spring plates are in place with the lowering kit. And as you can see in the rear, it's almost as low as I would like it, but I think I may have to adjust that one click just to get it to where the wheels don't have any positive camber, and it's supposed to be where the wheels are straight up and down, so it might be able to go a little bit lower without experiencing any tire wear. But that's not what I came on today for, to show you. What I wanted to show you was this alteration that I did. I'm going to raise the back hatch just so you can get a view, and as I pan across you may not be able to notice right away, but if you see here and here, those are hinges, and over here is the old fuel tank that had a bunch of crud, rust, nuggets coming out of it, and a bunch of garbage, so I decided not to bother with it anymore. Here is another box where the new gas tank came in, and so I installed that. But check this out, I'm going to need an opinion on this. There are some guys who would never do this, but I'm a little different. I installed the tank. The difference is I made an access panel so you can get to everything. You can see the carbs here, the dual carbs. Here's the tank, fuel sending unit right on top, straps. Everything is accessible back here. Everything. Some guys would not have done that. I don't know why they didn't make it like that in the first place. It's easy to get to, and then I'm going to put a rubber mat over the top of that while it's closed. Maybe some Dynomat or something like that. But either way, as you can see, when it's closed, you barely even notice that anything was done. And then you can get to those bolts that are in behind the doghouse that are very hard to get to. Most people know what I'm talking about. Work on the motor from the back, get to the gas tank, and do what you need to do in there. Another shot of the motor here. If I can get a little bit of lighting. It's a shot of the motor. 1776 counterweighted crank, 110 cam. It's not a race motor, but it'll get down the road pretty good, and I'm happy with the way it runs right now. I'll go back around and show again. The way the hatch is working with a little bit of light. Open that again. Sorry for the noise. And you can see everything inside. You might recognize with those bolts that go behind the motor that are hard to get to. Not anymore. So let me know what you think. Did he ruin it? Or did he just fix something that the engineers in Wolfsburg didn't think about in the first place? Let me know.